friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mint ginger turmeric tea. A very healthy and immunity boosting tea recipe. So you can have this tea weekly once to boost your immunity and energy levels. This is very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Allow this to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so to this add a tablespoon of mint leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame until the water absorbs the flavor of the mint. Now it's nicely boiling, so at this stage add quarter teaspoon of ginger powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let this boil for a minute. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this mint ginger turmeric tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Now after a minute, the water color has nicely changed to light green color, so off the flame. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and allow it to rest for a few seconds. After a few seconds, strain the tea and a delicious mint ginger turmeric tea is now ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. A very easy and healthy tea recipe to boost your immunity. So do try this mint ginger turmeric tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.